Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President K. Meghachandra today termed the Union Budget 2025 as anti-people budget as it was presented with view on the upcoming Bihar Assembly election. Reacting to Union Budget that was presented by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, K. Meghachandra said the budget failed to address the issue of rising unemployment among youths in the country. He added the budget misses out on increasing budget for rural area and particularly in northeast India. The budget has failed to take any steps in terms of providing fund for trouble-torn Manipur, which is currently under conflict for almost 2 years, with many displaced from their homes. Speaking further, Meghachandra said Manipur is neglected in the budget, while Bihar is given more importance in view of the upcoming election.
Union Budget 2025 is in fact, it is not the people's budget because it reflects the budget, particularly the state of Bihar election budget. I may raise these questions that whether this India government budget or Bihar government budget. And also this budget will become, the poor people will get more this poorer and the rich people will become richer. And also there is not much reflected the farmers. More than 60,000 people are still there in the relief camp, and there is no reflections of in the budget for construction of houses for those people who are there in the relief camp. So in fact, it's totally neglected the state of Manipur for these income group under 12 lakh. That exemption is there, but it is very much particular. And for the poor people, and this, you see, this group of these people, 4 to 8 lakhs, the income group, that also having these 5% tax. The people are suffering a lot, and the type of tax terrorism is still continue. We need to review it. And in fact, in this budget, still this tax terrorism is continue.